Folks, in this video we just want to talk about the equation of marriage equation. Okay, marriage equation. We had a video on this before, but we had to take it down because the video was not clear, and for a couple of reasons. And we always check our things very well to make sure you getting the best satisfaction you watching. So make sure you follow the page, carry the video and everything. Now at the Garden of Eden, God created only one man, okay, and means plus, and one woman, right? That's what happened at the Garden of Eden. Okay, God created one man and one woman. Okay, so right now, what is the equation we have for this stuff? Was God really foolish to do this thing? Was this the best option? Okay, and for a successful marriage, let's get started right now. That's what we want to know. Okay, so one man, this is the equation of marriage which we deduced. Okay, one man plus one woman should live forever. Okay, one man plus one woman should live forever. Now let's write the complete reaction of a marriage, for a successful marriage, for an ideal marriage. And let's check if the ideal marriage, if the equation is actually something that makes sense, or was God foolish? Let's get started. Let's know. Okay, one man plus one woman should live forever for as long as they can, plus energy being given off. Okay, and the energy here could be happiness. Okay, happiness, bliss, joy, etc. All the good things that life can offer. So that this is the correct complete equation for marriage. One man to one woman should live forever, giving off energy. Okay, energy is the byproduct here. Okay, it's the byproduct here. Happiness, bliss, joy, etc. Okay, so that is something we should watch out for. And we've talked about different things. Watch the last videos on the page, and you will see when we talk about compatibility in marriage and why there are breakups using a chemistry equation reaction, using the chemistry reaction. So make sure you check those ones. Okay, so now let's test right now. Let's use something right now. Let's test something right now. Okay, root 1 man. Let's find the square root of the equation. Root 1 man plus root 1 woman. Okay, we give you what we don't know. Let's find it right now. The square root of 1 is 1 man. The square root of 1 is 1. Okay, root 1 is we equal 1, then plus 1 woman, we give you what? 2 people. Now if you actually have 1 plus 1 in real sense is what? Is 2, right? So this 1 plus 1 in real sense is 2. So 1 plus 1 in the real sense should be 2. So error of this work is equal to what? 2 people, which was gotten from the root. 2 people minus 2, which is the original value, which ought to be equals to 0. So let's get right now. What if a man, okay, one man, okay, says, hey, I want to marry a second wife. Let's see how foolish that man will be. Okay, plus 2 women. What is the answer? We don't know. Okay, square root of 1 is what? 1. One man wants to marry 2 women. Let's see how foolish he is. 2 square root of 2 is what? Let's get that now. We gotta bring that. Okay, square root of 2 is what? 1.4142. So you're gonna put it there, 1.4142. Okay, that's what we're going to put here. Okay, so that is what you're going to put here. This will give me what? 1 plus 4142. 1 plus 411 plus 1.4142 will give me what? Will give me 2.4142, which is 2.4142. That's what it will give to us. Okay, so as you can see right now, if one man decides to marry second wife, this is the value right now. Now you got to ask yourself right now, one man plus two women, how many are they? 1 plus 2, how many are they altogether? If they were to live in the same house, how many are they? How many will they be? There will be 3. 1 plus 2 will give me what? 3. There will be 3 people in the house. The equation is telling us it's 2 point something. Why? Because there's error in your life automatically when you choose to marry a second wife. Okay, this equation will confirm that. Okay, so as you can see, 3 people. How do we get the error? The error, let's check if there's error. Error will be 3 minus 2.412. Error will be what? 3 minus 2.4142. So this will give us what? Let's use the calculator quickly. That will give me 0.5857. Okay, so the answer will be 0.5857, approximately 1. So you can see in probability, once you have 1, it means it is certain to occur. So if you marry a second wife, automatically there is an error in your life. So God was actually smart when he says one man to one woman. When God created one man only to one woman, God did not create one man, Adam, and 2 women. Nope, God created one man to one woman. Check this equation very well. What is the error in God's act? The error in God's act is 0. There is no error in what God did. But when you as a man start to show your foolishness, you want to marry 2 women, 3 women, you begin to have errors in your life. If you put root 3 here, if you want to use, okay, let's get error for 3 women. 1 man plus 3 women, root 3, you're going to have a higher error in your life. Okay, if you just continue like that, you're going to keep having errors in your life. Same thing applies to women. So God's equation was actually the best, and this is actually ideal. 0 is a very powerful number. 0 times 1000 is 0. So the error is 0 shows that this is a very powerful way to live life. So understand that this is ideal. Stay connected for more.